Morning, Miss.
Okay, thank you to join on this class. My name is Salwandra Apriliani. On this occasion, I will share two tasks making for essay, then future your plan, and I will give you 10 minutes and minimum 2 paragraphs. It is enough for you?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, and I will show some question, and do you have answer for me question? And before we continue, have any question?
No, Miss. It's already clear.
Okay, this is a paper of you. Okay. Remember class, do you have 10 minutes, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. You done?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Is enough? Okay, thank you. Adil is the teacher and Muti is nurse.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. For question, Adele, the first. What is the main focus of your future plan as a teacher?
The main focus of my future plans as a teacher is to create an engaging and inclusive learning environment for my students, continuously improve my teaching methods, and help my students reach their full potential academically and personally.
Okay. And the next question. How do you plan to develop yourself as a teacher?
I plan to develop myself as a teacher by attending professional development workshops, pursuing advanced certifications in education, incorporating innovative teaching strategies, and staying updated with the latest educational technologies and methodologies.
Okay, good Adele, thank you.
Okay.
And the next, Muti. The first question, what is the main focus of your future plan as a nurse?
My main focus is to provide the best possible care to my patient, enhance my nursing skill, and grow professionally in specialist area of healthcare.
Okay, the next question, how do you plan to develop yourself as a nurse?
I plan to attend advanced training programs and stay updated on the last development in medical care and patient management.
Okay, thank you, good Muti. Okay, I have done read on your essay, and do you have answer for my question? I think it's enough, and based on the essay future plan is a good paragraph, and do you done for the 10 minutes is enough, and Muti then and Adele speech is good, clear, and fluent. I think it's enough for the today in the class. I hope the lesson is clear and useful. If you have any question, please feel free for ask me after class. Okay, have a great time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Salwan Apriliani, NIM 33,220,162, Faculty of Language and Communication, English Literature Studi Program. And in this video, I will present my final task project about test administration, language assessment, and I hope you find the insight useful and the interested. Okay, before we continue on the material, this is the outline. What will be discussion on the presentation? There are 6 points. The first one, definition of test administration, and the second, principles of test administration, and the next, before the task, during the task, after the task, and the last challenge in test administration. Okay. Let's move on the material. This is definition test administration. What is test administration? Test administration is the process of the managing the procedure and logical of conducting tests. Test administration guidelines are a set of policies and the products that outline how standardism and the assessment should be described and administered. Also, their guidelines exist in order to increase consistency, ensure test security, and safeguard the fair and reliable result of exam scores. Okay, the next, there are the 4 points. The first one, equity. Test language should be natural and unbiased. And the next, clarity. Language use should be simple, direct, and free of ambiguity. And the next, contextualism. Contextualization. And the next, contextualization. Text should be correctly and linguistically relevant to participants. And the next, accommodation. This is the last of the principle of language as administration. Provide necessary adaptations such as translation or interpretation. Okay, next. Test administration products include their main iterated stage, namely before the test, during the test, and after the test. Each stage play important roles in ensure the test is administered effectively, fairly, and according to standard. The first, before the test. This stage involves all the preparation needed to ensure the test running smoothly. Some important activity in the stage include the first one, arrange the test schedule and inform the participant. And the second, ensure test material are well prepared, question, tools, and anything else. And the last, checking the complete list of faculties such as room, computer, and stationery. Okay, the next, during the task. At this test, the test is carried out according to the predetermined schedule and produce some of the main things to do include. The first one, provide clear text interaction to participants, and the second, organize the implementation time according to the predetermined schedule, and the last, supervise participants to ensure text produced are followed. And the last, after the test. After the test is complete, the collect result must be careful process to ensure the accuracy of the assessment. These steps include the first one, collect the test result in the safe and the organized manner, and the two, check test result to ensure data completeness, and the last, complete a report of the test result. Okay, challenge in test administration. Challenge in test administration covered a wide range of barriers that can affect that test administration and validity. Some the key challenges in test administration include the 5 points. The first one, time contrast, and often the time available to administer the task is very limited, both of the participant and for the task proctor. And the last, cheating. Cheating is one of the major challenges in test administration is preventing participants from cheating or breaking the rules during tasks. This can undermine the integrity of the task and the result obtained. And the three, technology contrast. This is in computer based on online tests. Technical issues such as network distribution, device malfunction, or something system error can distract the task. And the four, diverse participant background. Test takers often have a diverse background in terms of language, culture, ability, and this can make test administration difficult, especially if the test is not tailored to the needs of the participants, such as participants who speak a different language or have special needs. And the last of the challenge in test administration is limit research. Limit research is such adequate number of task proctor or inadequate validities can be an obstacle to effective test administration. Okay, the last conclusion. This is the summary that can we understand together is test administration ensure fair and valid test administration to proper preparation, exhaustion, and producing the result. Two are there are challenges such as time, technology, and good produce and effective superior help overcome their issues. While there are challenges at time, contrast and cheating, technological contrast, proper produce and good supervision can help overcome their issue. Ensure that tests run smoothly and provide accurately evaluation. Okay, that's all the material about test administration. Thank you so much for your time and attention for presentation. It's been a pleasure sharing this information with you. Thank you. Goodbye.